today's video, I'm going to teach you how to perfectly export your video using Filmora, a powerful video editing software that's user-friendly and packed with features. If you're new to Filmora or just need a refresher, you're in the right place. We'll take you through the steps to ensure your video is exported correctly in the Mp4 format, which is commonly used and widely supported by most devices and platforms. So let's dive into the steps. First off, you'll want to ensure you have Filmora open on your computer. If you haven't done so already, open your project in Filmora that you wish to export. For those who might not be familiar, Filmora is a popular choice among video editors due to its straightforward interface and rich feature set, making video exporting a breeze. Once your project is loaded and you're ready with the final touches, head over to the next step. Next, you'll need to find the export option. This is crucial for finalizing and sharing your video work. Look towards the upper right corner of the Filmora interface. You should see a button labeled Export. Clicking this will bring up a menu with various export settings. Here is where you'll make sure the format is set to Mp4. This format is ideal as it ensures high-quality video with a manageable file size and is compatible with most devices and social media platforms. Once you're in the export menu, you'll notice several options. Filmora does a great job at giving you control over the output settings. However, it's essential to ensure you're exporting in the right format. Be sure to select Mp4 as your export format. This is usually the default setting, but it's always good to double check, as Mp4 is a versatile format perfect for sharing videos online or storing them for personal use. After verifying the format, confirm any additional settings that suit your needs. These might include adjusting the resolution, frame rate, or quality settings, allowing you to tailor the output to your specific requirements. This step is particularly important if you need a particular video quality for platforms like YouTube or Vimeo, or if you're planning to play your video on a specific device. Once you've reviewed and set all your parameters to your satisfaction, you're ready to move on. Finally, go ahead and click that Export button. Filmora will begin processing your video, converting it into an Mp4 file with your chosen settings. Depending on the length and complexity of your project, this could take some time, so be patient. Once it's complete, you'll see a confirmation message and your video file will be saved to your specified location. And that's it. You're done. Your video is now exported and ready to be shared with the world or saved for future viewing. Thank you for following along, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out in the comments. Happy editing!